Hey, what's up guys, this is Adrika Badari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to loop on lists. So, let's get started. So, let's take this list only, copy, and let's paste it. Okay. So, here's our list, and let's remove this one and this one. Okay, so it's okay now. So let's loop on this list. So first we will use for loop. So for I in lang. Okay, so here if you want, you can take any variable, suppose L, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, any variable, or you can have two bulbs also, A, B in lang, or any variable if you want, but I prefer I. Okay, so that's why I have written for I in lang. Okay, now here we will write print I. Simply you have to do it. See, Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, C hash. I've already told you how to use for loop, so I hope it's clear to you. It is looping on the list. So first the variable has the value Python as is the first one. It then prints the value of I. Then it again loops, and in next step I has the value Java. Then it prints I, and then again in next step I has the value JavaScript. Then it prints I again, and it goes on like this. Okay, so this was for loop. But if you want to use while loop, so what can you do? You have to write a equal to 0. Okay, let's make a variable a. Now while a is less than length of lang. Okay, so length of lang will calculate how many elements are there in the list. Okay, so as you can see, there are 5 elements, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and here we have used less than sign and not less than equal to sign, because as you know that indexing starts from 0, right? So if this is 0, this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so we want a to be till 4 only. We don't want it to be 5. That is the length of the list. We don't want it to be 5. It will be okay till 4 only. So that's why we have written a is less than length of lang. I hope it's clear. So here we will write print lang, and then here as indexing we will pass I. Okay, so as it is 0 first, it will print the first element of the lang, as the value is 0 here in the first step. Okay, and then we will write plus equal to 1. So we will add 1 to it. Okay, okay, so in first step it will print the first value, and in next step, as you know that value of it will be a, that value of a is increased by 1. So now a is equal to 1 now. Sorry, here it will be a only. Sorry for the inconvenience caused to you. So here it will be lang a. Now as the value of a is 1, so it will be lang 1, indexing 1. So there is Java at the first indexing of lang, so it will print Java. So it will work like this only. See, Let's comment this out. Okay, see, it is printing Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and Shehash. Okay, so that's how we loop on lists. So hope it's clear to you. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being till the end of the session. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.